In our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us, and we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one.
I can't express how dope this establishment is. I initially went here because they have the best real HD lace frontal wigs that are priced for my budget, but I end up getting the unit installed and I got my nails done by the nail tech. And I got my face beat. This place has an awesome staff and good down-to-earth vibes. We'll be returning to purchase more units and get more services.
Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We're proud to say we've earned our glowing reviews one at a time. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.